Hey y'all, welcome back to From Someone's Kitchen. Now today's recipe is for the people who grew up on hot dogs but still got standards. We're doing air fryer hot dogs, 5 minutes if you like them classic, 8 minutes if you like them a little disrespectful. And we're topping them with a homemade slaw. No fancy ingredients, just mayonnaise, honey mustard, ketchup, and vibes. If you love real food, real kitchens, and recipes that don't act brand new, go ahead and subscribe right now. This channel is for people who actually eat. Let's get into it. Hot dogs are done. Look at that color. I toast the bun just a little if I'm feeling fancy. But it's optional. Hot dog in the bun, slaw right on top. That crunch, that's the difference between just a hot dog and why is this so good? This is one of those meals you make when you don't feel like cooking. You don't want takeout. You still want something good, and that matters. Not every meal needs to impress strangers. Some meals just need to feed you and make you feel okay. Now, if you grew up on hot dogs like this or you're about to try it for the first time, drop a comment and tell me how you eat yours. And if you like simple food, real talk, and recipes that feel like home, subscribe to From Someone's Kitchen. Like this video, share it with somebody who still thinks hot dogs can't be good. Because over here, we don't judge the food, we understand it. And I'm glad you're in the kitchen with me.